Are you ready to slim your thighs with 3 simple ballet exercises, only 5 minutes? Good, you're in the right place. So today we're going to work on 3 very simple ballet exercises that will elongate your thighs just like a ballerina. But not only we're going to elongate them, we're going to strengthen them, because I know that you want the shape, you want the muscles to be shown, but you don't want to go bulky. So today I'm going to show you that those 3 exercises can get you feminine and beautiful with beautiful long muscles. And because you're here and you want to discover your femininity and you want to shape your body in the best way possible, I'm inviting you today to the Splits and Flexibility workshop that I will be doing in April. All the details are in the description box below. You can find in there to register and to reserve your spot. I know maybe you think, oh, splits and flexibility, do I really need it? But if you want those long muscles and be in control of the body through stretches, I'll show you that it doesn't matter the age, it doesn't matter who you are and where you're from, you can do splits and you can be flexible. Otherwise, if you're ready to work it for 5 minutes and get those thighs nicely shaped, let's do it. All right, let's start. We've only got 5 minutes. So the very first exercise, we're gonna start on a side, and I'm also going to start the clock. So be here with me. Hips are squared right in front, hands are here. We're going to, I'll explain it, yes. We're going to stretch, so we find that nice lunge, very good. And then we're going out, back into a stretch, knee down, stretch, out, in, okay? So we're going to do it one side and then the other. The second move will be our scared, into lunge. So not only we're working on the thighs and on the bum, but we are stretching the calf and the hamstrings, and also bonus, we're going to the sides abdominals, out here, so we get them all nicely stretched. So from I'm very scared, the knees hovering over the floor, we're going up all the way. Yes, we're going one side and then we go to the other, and then the last move, 1 minute, nice stretching over, from one side to another, like this. You can have the beautiful hands either as Swan Lake arms if you want to, stretching the inside thighs, stretching the obliques as well and the sides, very good. Going out to side. Well, you got it. You know what you're doing, as long as you smile and look pretty. So today we're implementing the strengthening, the shaping of the muscles and the lengthening to have those beautiful long muscles. So, ready to start? One leg in front, one here. Starting with a clock. Hands up here, very good. We're going down and stretch at the back. Extend back into lunge. I know, a little bit of coordination. Down and stretch. Up, back to lunge. Very good. Bend the knee, stretch the knee. Out there, back into lunge. Very good. Can you feel it? Oh yeah, out here and stretching. Extend, very good. Finding all the stretch, very good. Down and stretch. Extend and back, very good. Knee down, stretch, extend, back into stretch. Come on, a few more seconds. And out. Good, keep on going. Back into stretch. Down, stretch, out, back into stretch. Very good. Changing leg, we go the other way. So, bend and stretch. Extend, finding that good balance as well. And down and stretch. Very good. And stretch. Feel the whole leg going down, really working, really stretching. Stretching every part of the leg. Very good. Down and stretch. And back. And in. Very good. Down and stretch. Extend. Back to extension. Extension. And back. Back to stretch. And bend the knee. Extend. out, stretch, down. Very good. Keep on working. Engage the core. Last one. Extend. Very good. Come back up into lunge. Up here, find the stretch. We go down all the way, hover the knee and stretch. Very good. Hover the knee and stretch. Keep on smiling. Hover the knee and stretch. And hover and stretch. Very good. Hover. Extend. Few more. Really get those quads working. Very good. And down. And also the arms are working, I know. And down. You know with me, it's a 360. Yeah, work that we do. And out. Very good. Keep on smiling. And out. And last one. And out. Very good. Other way. Lunge. Breathe. We go down and out. And Swan Lake. Scared. And but we don't need to be scared, yeah? Because we are in control. Yeah? We are in control of everything that we do. And out. Very good. And hover. And stretch. And hover. And stretch. Very good. Hover. And stretch. Keep on breathing. You're dancing. Very good. Stretch. And hover. Few more. Keep on smiling. Very good. And flattering your wings. Flattering? Flapping. Flappering. That one. Very good. Last one. Into second. Good. We go out and stretch. Very good. Bum is going down, not out. And out. Very good. Down. Really feel every part of the leg and obliques. Stretching. Very good. And up. And breathe. You can either look up if you feel adventurous. Yeah, and you've got that balance. Very good. Or you go under the wing. Oh yeah, under the wing. Very good. Or up in the air. Very good. It's an extra challenge, I know. Very good. Few more. And up. Few more. Keep on smiling. Last few seconds, but we're gonna do one extra. Just because. Very good. And breathe. Awesome. I know that was so good for our body. So remember, I will be seeing you very soon at the split and flexibility workshops that we're going to be doing in April. Reserve your spot. We need to mobilize and feel beautiful and feminine and elegant with all those stretches. I shall see you at the event in April. Click in the links below in the description. See you very soon.